Yeah. TikTok, this up. You look fat, this up. Me love your curve, them.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, as you guys could see from the title, I'm doing a how to get started on YouTube video. One of the most asked questions that I get since recently is, how do I get started? What equipment do I need? How I go about gaining subscribers? And so much more questions. I'll be answering a few of you guys' questions that I know and understand, and like sharing little tips and tricks about YouTube that helped me grow to where I am at right now. I mean, I'm nowhere close where I want to be as yet, but it could still help, you know? I'll be doing my makeup while telling you guys everything that you need to know about YouTube. Yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so I'm just do the eyebrows, so let's get into everything now. Let's get into what you guys are here for. Alright, the first step in becoming a YouTuber is actually creating a YouTube channel. Like you know, you have to create an account with Gmail, link it to your YouTube. Right, so once you create your account now, you have a YouTube channel. Like, I mean, once you're watching this video, I'm assuming that you have a YouTube account. So once you have created that account, you're gonna want to put your best selfie, your best picture where you have yourself as a display picture, because you know that's what everybody sees when they go to subscribe to your channel or go to view your channel. So after you upload a picture, you know you have the option to upload a banner, like a YouTube banner that is like over the profile picture and all of that. You could easily make one on Canva, PicMonkey, PicArt, like any one of them editing app. I'll have a video on how to make one, link in the card, so you guys could check that out. So after you have uploaded your profile picture, you make a channel banner. Boom, your channel look nice. No subscribers there, but it still look nice. It's still ready for the road. So after doing that, you could either upload your first video or have people subscribe to your channel. In the meantime, until they're ready for upload a video, you know, make a subscribe and then come in before you upload your first video. It's all up to you, because most people, like what they do, they upload their first video once they reach 100 subscribers. So them already have the audience, so when them for upload, them already have people there for watch. But what are they subscribing to? So now you have to pick a niche. So that's basically what type of videos are you going to create, what type of channel you're going for. Like me, my channel is about beauty, fashion and lifestyle, so I try to incorporate all of that in my videos. So you know, for instance, if somebody subscribed to my channel because of makeup, I always like getting makeup content, you understand? So I'm incorporated in all of my videos. So after you pick a niche, you find a niche. It could be gaming, fashion, lifestyle, vlogging, cooking, whatever you want it to be. After finding a niche, what you could do is you could plan like a schedule, and when you want to upload, you don't necessarily have to do this. I kind of wanted to do this, but I don't really stick to my schedule. For me, I try to upload videos on Wednesdays and Sundays, so you guys could make a schedule on YouTube. In the YouTube studio, it actually tell you which days like your subscribers use YouTube the most, so you can work around that in the analytics to like plan out your schedule. After doing that, now you're gonna want to have like a setup, like a specific area, like a nice local spot in your room, in your living room, wherever. Just like a nice aesthetically pleasing background, because to me, my hate confusing background. I hate background. I don't know, like if I click on a video and the background full of things don't make no sense, I'm gonna click off a video. I just feel like background doesn't feel either plain or aesthetically pleasing. So you know, no shade, but honestly, I feel like when background full of too much nonsense, it just takes away from the message that you're trying to deliver to your audience. So I'm full of attitude. I was actually thinking about doing like a setup tour just to show you guys how I have my studio set up. I don't know if you guys like could see from the vlogs and all of them. This is a white cloth here back of me. It's basically a piece of fabric we get from Albert Lake Arbadashry from the fabric store, and I'm gonna just put it on the wall. This is like a partition, so it's like wood, so I could just easily thumbtack it to the wall, and that's all I do. I mean, I want to paint the wall white, but I feel like the light reflects better on this fabric, so that's all I'm gonna do. Just piece of fabric, I put back at it. You have to incorporate cheap looking things. You know, I have to go all out and try to spend one bag of money when I don't have already. So yeah, talking about spending money, most people when I'm asking how to start them channel, I just be like, go for it, and their response would be like, but I don't have a camera. Darling, you have a phone. You have a phone. Use your phone. Honestly, I started off with my phone. I'm not gonna say nothing, like I never really like the quality that the phone is giving, but the phone is like a stepping stone. The phone teach me how to edit, the phone teach me how to do that until I get my camera, and then I could have like move on to like a better camera, a better quality thing. So now I start off, you know, small. You don't know if you're gonna get the audience or you're gonna get the traction that you think you would want to get. So you have to start off small, start off with a phone. You know them nowadays phone, yeah, quality is comparison to a real camera. So you can use the phone. I mean, if you have it, you can go for it, but if not, go and use what you have. According to Jamaicans, one cook a full basket. Continue using what you have until you probably start get paid from YouTube, or start to get serious, then you could go ahead and invest in like a good camera. Alright, so we talk about camera, we talk about setup, we talk about starting the channel. What's next? Okay, so editing. At first it's gonna be hard, let me tell you. Like if you're not used to none of them things at all, at first it's going to seem hard, but with practice makes perfect. So as I say, when you can start off with the phone, iMovie is free. If you have an iPhone, you could always use iMovie to edit your videos. It has a lot of features that you could use to make it look professional. You just have to go on YouTube and research anything you want to know. Honestly, personally, I do extensive research on YouTube. Like, it's something that I am interested in. So for editing, I don't really like to overdo it when it comes to my editing. So any little, you know, any little graphic or any little transition or effect, I will go on YouTube and research how to do it on iMovie, because I do have the MacBook, and I think the MacBook have more features when it comes to iMovie than on your phone. So I do use the MacBook, and like I will go on YouTube and like how to do a transition, just an example, like how to do this specific transition. And but tell it like if they're right there in front of your face, like anybody have access to YouTube, so you go on it and you just search for any little thing, like even how to cut the video, just go search it, like it's there. You get me? As I said, with editing, it's going to be hard at first, but the more you edit your videos, the more you practice, the easier it becomes. I don't know if you guys noticed, like I start doing the pop-up Instagram thing. At first I didn't used to do it, but now me I say, you know what, me I learn, me I practice, and I'm gonna start, you know, put some effects. Like, you know, get everything at once. It's like a stepping stone. So at first I never have no intro. Then let's see me come with my intro, yeah. Let's see me come with my intro. Then let's see me come with a pop-up thing. Then let's start me come with background music, everything. So it's like a stepping stone. Okay, so next thing. I am guilty of this. To be honest, I was not consistent when it comes to YouTube. I feel like I could have been further when it comes to my YouTube journey. I had the opportunity, like it was right here, but because I was pregnant, I'm never too in a YouTube, the opportunity missed me, but I'm coming back for it. Okay, yeah. So with YouTube, you have to be consistent. I'm not saying you have to upload every single day, unless you know you have the chance to do it, you can do it, but at least upload a video once a week. With consistency, you have to stick to your niche, you understand? So you can't say, all right, I'm gonna do a cooking video today, and then I'm gonna do a makeup video tomorrow, and then I'm gonna do a game video the next day. You understand? If people find a channel, for instance, with my video that I got the most subscribers from, it's a hair tutorial, so I try to incorporate more hair videos. So whoever subscribe to my channel from that hair video, they have more hair videos to watch. They have to be consistent with their channel and consistent with their niche. As I said, this video is like a YouTube, a tech video, but I still don't makeup. So whoever interested in makeup, they can still watch me and learn a thing or two, you see? So by now you would know what kind of content you want to post, you know, your setup, your editing and all of that good stuff. Now it's time to upload your first video. Okay, so with uploading your first video, I'm gonna tell you what me do personally. I use WhatsApp to broadcast my videos. Like every single time I post a video, the people are tired of me over WhatsApp. Every time when I upload a new video, I just send it in a broadcast, and I don't send the link alone. I send like the thumbnail and the link, because when they send the link, like they probably watch it from the WhatsApp app itself and not send it over to YouTube. And if you're monetized like myself, you're not ads not gonna show up. So whenever me upload a video, I just broadcast it, and whenever I broadcast it, like everybody would post it on their WhatsApp status. So you know, the attraction that's me, you know, everybody I see. You have to promote yourself. Like a lot of people reach out to me and ask me like, how do I get subscribers? No shade at all. I'm honestly not showing any shade. Like, you have to promote the heck out of yourself. Like, no shame not in my game when it comes to promote. I have a WhatsApp group chat with all of my friends them, and me tell them to tell them friends to subscribe, like, and them do it like all of my friends. When them on the phone with them other friends, out of nowhere, you subscribe to Manda Family's YouTube channel, hang up and subscribe and then call me back. Yeah, so you have to have like a support team that help you promote your channel. At first when I just started, I wasn't really taking it serious, so they wasn't, you know, them wasn't going so hard. But once them see me I put in the work, them help me put in the work too. Once people start see that you're taking it serious and you're serious about this YouTube life, they are going to support you. They are going to you know, share it to them friends and like help you to get subscribers. Another thing that you could do to promote your channel is like posting it on Facebook and like having like, you know, your friends on Facebook sharing it on all the different social media platforms, sharing it on TikTok. Right now TikTok is like the easiest app that you could get famous and like you could blow up on. So posting your videos on TikTok, telling people to subscribe to your YouTube channel, all of that helps with promoting and like gaining subscribers. Another tip that I could give you, like if you're a beauty influencer like myself or a beauty channel, you could do how-to videos. Like for instance, you could do how to apply eyelashes, how to do your eyebrows, how to put on a wig, how to videos are very useful, and like posting videos that are useful, that are searchable, will help you gain subscribers. YouTube is a search engine, so people always go on it to just like learn how to do things. I must say with everything though, you guys have to be patient. Like YouTube is a marathon, it's not a race. Yeah, you're gonna take your time until you reach the finish line. So basically that you're gonna in a rush to reach now. You're not a rush. I mean, if you have a goal that you want to reach, a specific goal, you could work towards it, you know, in a certain time frame, but you don't have to rush to reach where you want to reach. Oh, I almost forgot another way that you guys could also gain subscribers. This way isn't really credible, but I guess you could still do it. You could do like a giveaway. You know, you could post it on Instagram, have people subscribe to your YouTube channel for a chance to win something. It don't have to be expensive, but with giveaways, I feel like, honestly speaking, I feel like with giveaways, if you announce a giveaway and the person that thought they was going to win and they never win, them unsubscribe from your channel. So it's a way to get quick subscribers, but some people salty, and if they don't know when they're gonna subscribe. Just being realistic. And next thing is, have people comment on your videos. You know, you could ask them like little questions in the video and say, comment down below if you like this video, comment down below, whatever. Commenting actually helps with your engagement. I don't think a lot of my viewers know this, because whenever I'm telling them for comment, like they never comment. But commenting actually helps like with your engagement if you're trying to grow on YouTube. Like YouTube sees that people mess with their things, so then push it out there so more people could actually see your content. So commenting actually works. But yeah, I'm actually contemplating on doing a room tour to like show you guys equipment, everything that I use on my YouTube. Comment down below and let me know if you guys want that. I'll definitely give it to you. Okay guys, so that's it for the makeup look. I popped on some lashes and applied some lip gloss off camera. But yeah, all in all, if you're really interested in YouTube or you're really interested in starting it, go for it. But don't go into it thinking that you're gonna get rich one time, you're gonna make money, you're going to this and that. Like YouTube is not a get rich quick scheme unless you're really freaking lucky. If you're really into it, I must say go for it. Don't have anybody discourage you from it. YouTube is for everybody. It's not a competition. It's not a competition. Everybody has their own personality. Everybody's content is different in its own way. Just be yourself. Come on YouTube and be yourself. Honestly, with me, when I just started YouTube, I was trying to be somebody else. I'm not even going to lie to you guys. I wasn't being myself. I wasn't with me personally. I could speak standard English, but I don't like to. Me born and grown in Jamaica, and like when I talk proper English, I part alone with talk. So for me, come on camera and I try to speak standard English. That's not me. That's not me. So I couldn't even talk it on the videos then when I just started YouTube, because I was trying to, okay guys, so now I'm going to put on this and that was not me. Me not chat so in real life. So it was kind of awkward. So now when me going back to watch the videos, like cringe. Some private all of them, then nobody can see them because that's not me. And I'm gonna say to myself, say, why am I trying to be somebody else? Be a self girl. And once I start being myself, everybody starts saying them like my content, everybody starts saying them love me, I do keep on going, you're gonna make it someday, all good stuff. So just come on YouTube, be yourself, show your personality. I'd love to see you guys get started so we could collab. Yeah, YouTube is a fun place to be. So yeah, that's basically it for the video, guys. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any questions that you guys thought I've missed or anything that I want to know about YouTube. I'll definitely do a video speaking about it. And until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video.